Another object of great interest is a tachometer, which will keep the count of hours till it needs another service. It will even count the revs the engine is doing. So it just has one wire which will connect to the spark plug. Here we have removed the pipe and it is passing through the cap. We just put a small washer on it and we just solder it onto it. So let me show you how it does in action. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna remove the small tripod and you're gonna see the numbers flowing by. So we'll put it on, open the fuel, and we're gonna start it. As you can see, the revs are going up. When we turn it off, it will show you how much hours did it work. Right now it's working. It worked up till 9.9 hours. It has to work up to 30 to give it a service. But this is a nice gadget which will ease in our work, and we won't forget. It will. Some of them will even have an alarm, an audible alarm, so you know when to change in the engine oil. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.